Windows. Let's go to CachyOS website first. You're gonna download CachyOS ISO file. You can choose from their direct install or like magnet torrent, any of those. Next, we need something to burn this into a USB stick. I'm gonna install Rufus. You can go to their website, search on Google Rufus. You'll find Rufus. After installing both of those files, let's open Rufus. Let's plug in our USB and then select the ISO file. Make sure to set the partition scheme to GPT and leave the UEFI as it is, and click on Start. Now this will wipe everything in your USB, so keep that in mind, and it will take some time to finish. After it finishes, restart your laptop and smash F2 till your BIOS opens up. In your BIOS, you have to go to your boot and raise the USB generic mass storage to number 1, so that we can boot into the USB directly instead of into our Windows. We can save this and exit. And as you can see there in our grub menu, let's open CachyOS, click on enter, and there'll be some codes running. Let it run. It will take some time and we'll be inside. And as you can see, we are now inside the live USB of CachyOS. Now let's install it. Click on launch installer, select your language, select your region and your keyboard if you want to add some. Here you can choose your bootloader. I'm gonna go with grub, which is the easiest one, and it will recognize Windows faster. We're gonna click next and choose manual partitioning, otherwise you might end up wiping your entire Windows. We don't want that. And in the partitions, I have some free space, but you might not have it, so you can edit your partition, your Windows boot partition or anything, shrink it down, and then you can get some free space. After you have some free space, we're going to click on it. We're going to click on create, and make sure to give 512 megabytes for the boot/EFI. We're going to select 532, select mount point as boot/EFI, and then boot as the flag. We're going to click OK. Next, we're going to create the home folder. Just make sure to leave 20 GB outside. So I'm gonna give 72,000, which will approximately be 69 GB. Make sure the file system is ext4 and the mount point is /home. We're gonna click OK, and then the next, as I said, at least 20 GB for the root folder. We're gonna keep it ext4 again, and we're gonna select the mount point to /. That's the root folder. And these three here are our CachyOS partitions. We're going to keep it as is. You make sure that you have 3. Next, we're going to select the desktop environment. I'm going to go with KDE Plasma, which is easier for the first time users. You can choose other ones like Hyperland, Cinnamon, any other. Next is packages. You can choose printing support if you're going to print if you have HP printer and stuff like that. And here we have our name and username, computer name, password. Just drop yours as is your name and stuff. I'm gonna use the same password for administrator account. Here you can make sure the changes that you're gonna do to your partitions, like you can read them and understand which one you're gonna delete and stuff like that. Let's click on install now. This will take some time. You can see the log file. It completely depends on the speed of your internet. If your internet is fast, you'll have a faster installation. Mine took approximately 26 minutes. It was pretty slow, to be honest. After the installation is finished, click on restart now and click on done. It will automatically restart. Again, you will have some codes running. Just let it finish. It will take like 1 minute or something. And it's rebooting now. Let's see. And we are in the grub menu. We have Windows. It's automatically been detected. We can go into CachyOS now. Look at that lock screen. That is so beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. It's much clean too. And now we are inside the CachyOS completely. You can remove the USB. And this is the welcome CachyOS thing. You can install applications if you want to. There's a wide variety of them. Choose any of them and then install packages. It's really easy. It's good that CachyOS gives you an option to install any application from their list directly without having the hassle to type in the terminal ourselves. You can also apply tweaks to this. If you're a gamer, you can apply gaming packages, or if you want to do virtualization, for example, running Adobe apps in Linux, you can download WinBot. And that's it, really. We have finished installation CachyOS. Thank you for watching. Oh, wait, there's one more thing.
Element of surprise!